In this video I'm going to show you the operation of a Velux Integra GGU window. I'm going to show you the operation of the remote control, the internal blinds, the external roller shutters and the window opening and closing. I've got 4 Velux windows in my house and they're all linked to this remote control. So I'm in the guest bedroom at the moment, so I'm just going to wake the unit up and I'm just going to scroll over to guest bedroom. So I've got roller shutters and I've got the windows all linked. So I want to close the roller shutters in my window about halfway. So I can do it individually or I can do them both, but I'd like to do both. So I'm just going to put that as halfway closed. You can hear the roller shutters coming down. They're quite slow and noisy. They are very, very effective at keeping the light out at night and keeping the noise down. The other thing I've got on these windows is this blind here, which is a standard Velux blind. There's nothing electric about that. You can get electric ones, and I've got those on one of my other windows, but I decided it wasn't necessary for this. So the blind's halfway. Now the really great thing about this is that you can still open the window. So if I just go over to the windows, right, there we go. And I want to open that slightly there, so I'm going to put that there. So you can see the windows. Let me just scroll back a bit. The window is opening quite slow. It takes about a minute to open fully. But the great thing is you can have the shutter down. So on hot days you can vent and you can have the window open slightly. So that's done. Now the good thing about this is I can vent it for a specific amount of time. So let's say I want to close it in 10, 15, 20 minutes. That's quite easy. So I can do it automatically, or I can just close it, override it. So it's closing now. You can see there, the window is closing very, very slowly. And then the bar will lock itself. And when it's fully locked, you can override the window manually. So there we go. It's not an electric, but you can only override it when it's like that. There are other things that you can do with the remote control. You can set programs. So I have, just show you here. I have programs here. So I can have ventilation, and I set these on or off. So if I want in the summer to vent the windows in the morning or the evening, I can. I set my blinds to close at 7 o'clock in the evening and 7 o'clock in the morning during the winter, and to open at about 6 o'clock in the morning and to close at 9 o'clock in the evening for the summer. And it works really well, and it keeps the heat in and it keeps the heat out as well during the summer. So all in all, pretty successful system and a really good product.